So for our first video, we wanted to share with you our visit to Plastic Pay's headquarters and also our trip to PT Inocycle. This is our first meeting with the Plastic Pay team. Do you want to know what we talked about with them? So in this meeting, we discussed many things, including how to deal with the increasing amount of plastic waste. One way to deal with it is by collecting plastic bottles through a reverse vending machine. And luckily for us, after the first meeting, we got the opportunity to try it out ourselves. Let's see how it works. So now we're on our way to the next place, and we have something interesting to show you. Now we have entered the factory where we will see the plastic bottle recycling process. Do you know what this is? This is Flax, which is a plastic bottle that has been crushed into flakes with a size of 2 to 3 centimeters. Now we'll see the next step in the process. Here, the flax is sorted and sterilized. Flax that has been sorted and sterilized is then inserted into the hole next to the engine we previously looked at. From the hole, the flax will be melted in this machine. Finally, the result comes out of the hole in the form of a thin thread which looks like this. Now let's move on to the next part. Here, the thin thread will be spun so it looks like cotton. This is what cotton polyester looks like. This polyester cotton can be used in various industrial sectors and can also be used to make bags, hats, shoes, and more. As you can see, this is the cotton polyester weighing process that is put back into a polyester fabric and mattress. During this process, cotton is placed and glued with a special glue so that it forms a sheet like this. After that, another screening will be carried out to ensure that no iron is present. Then, to ensure its purity, the sheet will be retested with metal detectors. But there are even more steps left in the process. In the next process, the polyester fabric is glued back until it becomes more thick and soft. This is what will become the mattress. This is a storage area for polyester and mattresses that are ready to be sent to Japan, China, and other countries.
Hello! So we reached the end of the video. Thank you for watching.
See you next time. Bye.
That's it for our visit today. What do you guys think about it? Through our visit to PT Inocycle, we learned a lot of things. Let's take care of our earth and make sure not to carelessly throw away your plastic bottles.